Workplace Communication, Lesson 16, Signs. Signs are visual symbols or signals that convey meaning. They guide, warn, or inform people through shared understanding. Symbolic signs uses images to represent ideas. In this case, there's a no smoking sign, and we all know what it means. Iconic signs look like what they represent. Here we have male and female restrooms, and we have a little figure of a male and a female person. Indexical signs point to or indicate something else. Here we have footprints in the sand, and it shows us that someone was here, but the person is not here anymore. Road signs and safety signs combine symbolic and iconic signs to communicate information quickly. The red octagon for stop, the yellow triangle for danger, or a red circle for no entry. And safety signs, a yellow circle for biohazard, a picture of a fire to tell us where the fire extinguisher is located, and a high voltage sign that is just a little lightning strike to tell us that this is a place to avoid. The principle. Understanding road and safety signs is literally a matter of life and death. Learn them and teach them before they require a response.